right, welcome everybody. Eugene Hughes Motorized. Today's topic is what do we do with the white wire? Okay, so you're wiring up your ignition here on your little two-stroke bike. We've got the CDI. Now we've got the black wire from the CDI. We've got the black wire that goes from your magneto, your coil. Okay, you plug black to the black. And on some of the quote-unquote high-performance CDIs, you've got a red wire, and you may even have a red wire here coming from your magneto coil. Well, red or blue, they're the same, okay? So you just basically make sure that the black from your magneto coil coming out of the engine goes to the black on your CDI, and the blue to blue. And then what I'll do with the white wire is, you've got this little piece of insulator cloth here. I'll take it and push it into the engine about as far as I can get it, and then I'll take a pair of wire cutters, go right up in there and clip it off. The white wire is dead to me, okay? And then what I'll do, because you want to make sure that the white wire coming off of the magneto coil doesn't short out to anywhere on your case, I'll pull the insulating sleeve out a little bit and we're good to go. If you want to really get down to the nut cutting or the white wire cutting, you'll go into here and take off your cover, and if you want, even take off the coil and go in and snip the white wire, making sure that the white wire will not touch the case in any way. But if we look closer, let's go ahead and zoom in a little bit here. Okay, the white wire is soldered onto the same place where your blue or your red wire on the quote-unquote high-performance ones are, and we can feel free to just go right there and cut that off right there, take the white piece of wire and throw it in the trash. Okay, so some of you may be just aghast with horror that I'm telling you to throw away something that some bright engineer put on there. Well, one thing that the white wire does, it will provide about 6 volts, which is enough for an LED light, but it does that and it robs power from your spark. So if you want a so-so running engine, you can go ahead and get some power off of that. That's why I'm telling you, take the white wire, throw it in the trash, okay? Don't even use it, all right? So it's useless, about as useless as a screen door on a submarine, right? Another little tip here, when you're wiring up your magneto coil CDI ignition system here, these little connectors aren't the best. They have a tendency to go south on you here, and they get loose. Sometimes they're loose fresh from the factory. What I'll do is go ahead and clip them off, and these Wago connectors, I'll leave a link down there for you for the Wago connectors. And basically what this guy does here, let's zoom in, okay? This particular one here has openings for 3 wires, and all of them are going to be connected together. So what we would do is, where we've got the black from the engine, the magneto coil, to the black on the CDI, and then of course we've got our kill switch wire here. It really doesn't matter which one, but to make it all look at least somewhat the same, we'll take the black wire, and all you really need to do with your kill switch is one wire from the kill switch goes to one of these, and then the other wire from the kill switch goes to the other. It really matters not. But so what I would do is clip off all of the connectors on the end, just as I did here. You want to, come on. You want to strip it like so. And they've got, this here's a little gauge here on the back as to how far you want to strip it. And you got to lift the lever all the way up. Here it goes in, and you've got a good connection. So you can put all three of the black wires on one, and then whatever colors you got left over, you put in the second one here. And the good thing about this here, if you ever want to do any troubleshooting and the like, you can easily just lift up the lever, take your wire out, and replace a component, strip the wire, put it back in, and you're back going on the road. I'll have links down below for you. So I hope maybe I shed a little bit of light of you on the mystery of the worthless white wire. Throw it in the trash. I hope I helped you out. If you think the video is going to help anyone out, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Y'all take care.